enjoy your video. This is entrance of Canary Wharf, train station.
都会跌过上面。
That's the train station.
What's it for? YouTube channel. What channel is it for?
Like showing that's beautiful places.
Beautiful places.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
unfortunately, when you're doing a YouTube channel, this is a private estate. It's something that you're going to advertise for hits. You need to get a film permit for that.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, I'm serious because it's a private estate.
We come here all the time.
And you do, and you've done this before.
Yeah. Police is busy around. Every place is.
Well, you know it's YouTube, and because it's a private estate.
The video is going.
Is it going to